welcome back to my channel Veronica, Be the Vlogger. And today we are going to check out the new place. As I said, very positive, very greenery and lots of positive aura. So दिखाऊं मैं कहाँ पर हम आने वाले हैं और कहाँ पर मैं आपको दिखाने वाली हूँ. It's the jungle. Yes, by Yugao. So guys, what do you think? Do you think कि greenery is very important to us? Do you think? Or it's a yes, right? क्योंकि आपके आसपास जब ज़्यादा ग्रीनरी होती है तो ज़्यादा खुशी होती है, ज़्यादा स्माइलिंग होती है, बूस्ट योर इम्यूनिटी, प्रोडक्टिविटी, क्रिएटिविटी एंड लॉट्स मेनी मोर. फिलहाल तो मैं आपको अंदर लेके जाती हूँ. बाहर से ही इतनी ग्रीनरी दिख रही है और जस्ट चेक आउट. कैन यू सी? सो और मेरे फेस में भी आप देख रहे हो कितना ग्लो है. ग्लो मेरे वजह से है, ठीक है. So check out this nice place full of plants, lots of greenery, right? So आज मैं आपको यहाँ पर दिखाने वाली हूँ द जंगल. So let's move, let's go inside. Ow. Let's go inside and then yes, we will enjoy and we'll see lots of fun. We will have the jungle. चलिए. Okay, so this is the person who will. What's your good name?
Yogesh.
Hi, Yogesh. Acha, you will sanitize me. Okay. Thank you. Can you hear the voice? The jungle, right? So, guys, this is a lovely place. I think I checked out. It's very lovely. And we will know more tips about this place. So, guys, मैंने मास्क नहीं पहना है. I will maintain social distance. Don't worry. But then, अगर मैं मास्क पहनूंगी तो I cannot explain you very properly. You can say, ठीक है? So, hello. Hi. What's your good name?
Lakshmikant.
Hi, Lakshmikant. How are you?
I'm good. How are you?
I'm good. I'm fine. So, Lakshmikant ji, the jungle. I mean, amazing name. You know, मुझे बड़ा मजा आया देख के सुन के. And जब मैं एंट्री ही कर रही थी, इतनी lots of positive energy. So, मुझे इस जगह के बारे में थोड़ा सा बताइए कि I mean, I can see there are lots of pots over here. So, what do you think कि plants क्यों होने चाहिए या how plants are very important for us or the living beings?
Okay.
Lakshmikant ji, can you just remove? We will maintain a social distance. Can you just remove the mask so that my audience can hear you properly? Thank you. Yes.
So first of all, welcome to the jungle.
Wow.
So jungle is offline store of Ugao.
Okay.
So basically, Ugao is an online gardening store founded in 2015.
Okay.
And we have come up with this store, live store for all the garden lovers and plant lovers.
Okay.
So we have a widest range of plants you can see here.
So Lakshmikant ji, a question for you.
Okay.
What do you feel कि एक अगर empty space को greenery अगर space से भर देते हैं तो how it affect maybe in a corporate life, maybe in your personal life? कैसे आपको क्या लगता है कि घरों पे प्लांट्स होने चाहिए, ग्रीनरी होनी चाहिए, कॉर्पोरेट लाइफ में भी प्लांट्स या ग्रीनरी होने चाहिए? व्हाट डू यू थिंक अबाउट प्लांट्स और ट्रीज और नेचर?
बिल्कुल होने चाहिए. Plants always gives you happiness. Okay, strength, boost, and productivity.
Okay.
So and nobody against buying plants first of all.
And I think आप इतने सारे ग्रीनरी के सराउंडिंग्स में हैं. I can see the energy, the energy you have. राइट मैं अभी शाम को आ रही हूँ. ऑफ कोर्स आज संडे है, मोस्ट ऑफ द क्लाइंट्स आए होंगे, बट स्टिल आई कैन सी द एनर्जी इन यू. एंड आई थिंक वो शायद श्रेय जाता है कि यू आर सराउंडेड विद लॉट्स ऑफ प्लांट्स, लॉट्स ऑफ ग्रीनरी, राइट?
Yes, lots of.
ओके. लक्ष्मीकांत जी, सो नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन इज कि आपके यहाँ पर किस टाइप के प्लांट्स हैं? बिकॉज नर्सरी में तो हम जाते ही हैं. सो व्हाट डिफरेंट इन दिस जंगल, द जंगल पे?
So first of all, nurseries are being posed outside of stores, right?
हाँ.
और वहाँ पे जाना बहुत टाइम एक्सपेंसिव होता है, कंज्यूम टाइम बहुत ज़्यादा लगता है.
Alright.
So we are in the heart of city first of all. So हर कोई आ सकता है यहाँ पे. People are asking our website कि do you have your own store within Pune city?
Correct.
So this is our first store.
Uh-huh.
So in plants we have widest range of plants. First of all, there are basically two categories:
Okay.
outdoor plants and indoor plants.
Uh-huh.
So here you can see the
Guys,
range
can you
of
see that butterfly? It's amazing. Yeah. So sorry. Yeah.
So this is the range of indoor plants. First of all,
Uh-huh.
you can see.
So can you just explain like these are the indoor plants?
Yeah, these are indoor plants.
Uh-huh. And what we call about this plants?
Which one?
This one. Yeah. Yes.
This
yes.
is a new one, the rabbit food.
Rabbit food. Wow.
You can see
Lovely
the
name.
roots. These are the roots.
Uh-huh. Acha. Oh
And
my
this is a very good
God.
grouping plants.
Can you check this out, guys? I mean, rabbit plant. Can you see the like plant is justifying the name as well? Okay. And what about this plants?
This one.
Uh-huh.
This is Philodendron Ceylon.
Wow.
Look at the stem of this.
Awesome. And what about the above one?
Which one? This is
Anyone,
a boxwood. Yeah, this is boxwood. This is Z.
Any speciality in that?
Yeah, this is a good luck plant actually. This is
Just show
good
me.
for
Yeah, just show me. Wow. So what do you think? What good luck?
for gifting someone.
Okay. Oh. So like these are so beautiful that you can also influence people to plant or to plant more trees, right? And I think this is the best gift for our nature as well.
Yes, sure.
Okay. And what about this one? Yeah.
So
just
we have
say
a
yeah. Go and
random-
explain.
We have a random setup of plants. So
Uh-huh.
you can see succulents, you can see air purifying plants, ornamental plants, all kinds of
Lakshmi
flowering
Kanji, can you
plants.
just explain what is air purifying plants?
Air purifying plants basically they consume the harmful oxygen from the air
Uh-huh.
and give the air clear.
Okay.
So you can breathe out and very fresh around you.
All
So
right.
people are mostly very keen to buy air purifying plants.
Oh, lovely. So guys, just check this out. Amazing. आई थिंक लाइव के थ्रू से मैं आप सभी के साथ मैं पॉजिटिव एनर्जी शेयर कर रही हूँ एंड आप घर बैठे ही आप बहुत सारी पॉजिटिविटी फील कर रहे हैं, राइट? सो गाइज प्लांटिंग मोर ट्रीज, मैं हमेशा से कहते आ रही हूँ कि अगर हम नेचर की इतनी सारी चीज़ें यूज़ करते हैं, हम कितना पेट्रोल लाइक पॉल्यूशन, देन हम ऑक्सीजन तो हमें चाहिए, बट देन हम नेचर को क्या देते हैं? हम कार्बन डाइऑक्साइड हम देते हैं, बट नेचर हमारे लिए उसे प्यूरिफाई करके दे आर गिविंग अस ऑक्सीजन एंड फ्यूल, देन वुड्स, कितनी सारी चीज़ें देती है. सो हमारा भी फर्ज बनता है कि हम अपने नेचर को क्या दे, हम अपने नेचर कैसे दे सकते हैं? बहुत सारे प्लांट्स दे के, एंड अगर आप गिफ्टिंग आइटम्स में भी, एंड आई थिंक दिस प्लांट्स आर सो लवली, यू कैन सी दिस प्लांट्स आर सो लवली, यू कैन गिफ्ट टू पीपल लाइक बर्थडेज हो गए, इवन बच्चों को यू कैन इन्फ्लुएंस टू योर किड्स टू ग्रो और टू प्लांट मोर प्लांट्स, राइट? सो चारों तरफ ऐसे, क्योंकि पुणे को हम वैसे ही कहते हैं कि इट्स ए ग्रीन सिटी, बट देन लॉट्स ऑफ बिल्डिंग्स आर कंस्ट्रक्टिंग एंड लॉट मेनी मोर थिंग्स. तो क्यों ना हम पुणे को ग्रीन सिटी, पुणे इज अ ग्रीन सिटी और ए क्लीन सिटी, सो हम उस ग्रीनरी को मेंटेन करने के लिए प्लांट मोर ट्रीज, राइट? ओके, नाउ लेट्स मूव ऑन टू लक्ष्मीकांत जी. यस, सो लक्ष्मीकांत जी, व्हाट अबाउट दिस प्लांट? यस, सो जस्ट एक्सप्लेन मी सो दैट मेरी जनता को लाइव पता चलेगा कि किस किस तरह के प्लांट्स आप रख रहे हैं. एंड यस.
So first of all, we have categorized this kind of shelf.
Uh-huh.
So this is air purifying category.
Okay.
These all are air purifying. The
Okay.
best of air purifying plants.
Uh-huh.
This is ornamental.
Okay. What is ornamental?
Flowering plants.
Okay, flowering
Decorative
plants. Okay.
And this is a category of succulents.
Okay, done. Then,
And talking about this plant, this is Chlorophytum spider plant.
wow.
This is also a air purifying plant.
Okay. लक्ष्मीकांत जी, टू माई जनता, ओके, मेरी जनता जानना चाहती है कि घर पे बैठ के दैट फ्यू टिप्स कि वो प्लांट्स को कैसे उनका लाइफ स्पैन कैसे बढ़ाया जाए, या प्लांट्स को केयर कैसी करनी चाहिए. I want tip from your side क्योंकि I think you're the best person to guide my audience.
सो बेसिकली इंडोर प्लांट जो होते हैं दीज आर लव शेडिंग प्लांट्स.
हाँ हाँ
उनको लाइट की बिल्कुल भी ज़रूरी नहीं है,
हाँ.
राइट. उनको इनडायरेक्ट ब्राइट लाइट चाहिए,
Okay.
द नेचुरल लाइट, नॉट
हाँ.
आर्टिफिशियल लाइट.
Yes.
और अकॉर्डिंग टू द प्लांट्स उनको वाटरिंग की जरूरत होती
हाँ हाँ.
है. सो यू कीप देम वाटरिंग.
So हफ्ते में कितने टाइम, क्योंकि अभी विंटर सीजन चल रहा है.
It may vary plants to plants.
Okay.
So if you go with the spider or the snake plant,
हाँ हाँ.
it requires once in a week.
अच्छा, once in a week.
Once in a week.
So mostly इंडोर प्लांट्स को उतनी ज्यादा पानी की जरूरत नहीं पड़ती है, you want to say?
It depends on climatical conditions also.
Okay.
अभी यहाँ पे विंटर सीजन चल रहा है, so अभी रेगुलर पानी की जरूरत नहीं हो सकती.
Correct.
The very unique thing about our plant is you can see this kind of pot.
Okay. Wow. Yes.
So this is a root.
Uh-huh.
Okay. This comes out.
Okay.
Self-watering pots.
Okay.
So whenever you water these plants,
Uh-huh.
the excess water gets collected here.
Wow.
Okay, and you keep extra water here only. So roots automatically gets absorb this water through capillary action.
Oh my
Means
God.
you don't need
Wonderful.
to give water every day.
Okay.
So this is the uniqueness of this pot.
So guys, ये जो प्लांट है, ये जो अभी इन्होंने एक्सप्लेन किया, सो ये जो नीचे आप जो देख रहे हैं, ये सर ओपन कीजिए या. सो ये इसमें एक
reservoir है.
डिक्रीजर क्या लगा हुआ
Reservoir
है?
है.
रिजर्वॉयर. ओके, सो जैसे आपका प्लांट अगर ज्यादा आपने पानी डाल भी दिया है, सो ये यहाँ पर कलेक्ट होता है.
और यहाँ पे रूट भी आया हुआ है.
एंड यहाँ पे ये रूट्स है, एंड यहाँ पर देयर इज अ मशीन जो ऑटोमेटिक वो पानी को ऊपर लेवल पे फिर से लेके जाता है अगर उसे पानी फिर से चाहिए होता है. इट्स अ अमेजिंग कॉन्सेप्ट गाइस, वंडरफुल. सो अगर आप कभी भूल भी गए तो द टेक्नोलॉजी, ओ माय गॉड, कितना इंक्रीज हो रहा है. ऑलराइट. और लक्ष्मीकांत जी, इस लाइक जो जैसे कॉर्पोरेट लाइफ में घर पे तो लोग शायद प्लांट्स लगाते ही हैं. वुड यू प्रेफर कि लाइक कॉर्पोरेट लाइफ में उसका क्या कुछ लाइक साइंटिफिक रीजन होना चाहिए प्लांट्स, और हर कॉर्पोरेट लाइफ में ये हर जगह लगना चाहिए?
मोस्ट ऑफ कॉर्पोरेट्स जो ऑफिसेस होते हैं, आपने देखा होगा, बिल्डिंग, वेरी ह्यूज बिल्डिंग. सो वहाँ पे भी ऑन ऑफिस डेस्क यू कैन पुट अ प्लांट एट योर डेस्क. इट हेल्प्स यू टू इंक्रीज योर प्रोडक्टिविटी, एफिशिएंसी लेवल क्रिएट बढ़ाता है.
यस इवन आई टू बिलीव इन दैट.
यस एब्सोल्युटली. और वहाँ पे एक हैप्पीनेस क्रिएट रहता है कि जब भी आपके सराउंडिंग्स में प्लांट्स होते हैं, यू फील हैप्पी ऑलवेज.
Okay. Nice. Wonderful. So guys, I will just take you to the plants, and yes, of course, I will try my best to speak some of the clients of the jungle कि उनकी क्या सोच है प्लांट्स को लेके. ऑफ कोर्स so these are the seeds.
So these are organic seeds.
Okay, organic seeds. उस पे क्या होता है लक्ष्मीकांत जी?
Actually, this is an initiative of own grow basically. So you can sow these seeds at your home. It doesn't require a more space basically.
Okay.
You can sow it at your balcony, at your terrace, whenever the actual sunlight comes.
Okay.
And these are organic seeds.
Okay.
Okay. So widest range of seeds also we have. This is a vegetable seeds category.
Okay.
And here is a flowering category.
Okay.
So these are flowering category. ये ऐसे फ्लावर्स है जो आप कश्मीर में वगैरह देखते हैं.
Oh my God! Wow.
ऑर्गेनिक फ्लावर्स.
Amazing. This other girl also. Hi. What's your good name?
Shifali.
Hi Shifali. For a minute, can you? Not for a minute. For some time, can you just remove the mask? I'm so sorry. Yeah. Oh my God, you look so beautiful. So Shifali, what do you think about the plants?
Like everyone should have plants in their home, like because nature gives us a lot. So it's our duty, like to give nature something.
Wow.
So like everyone should have something, some plants at their home. Like some plants which we have are air fresheners, like air purifiers.
Okay.
So you should definitely visit our store and check for such plants.
Okay. So guys, yes, just let me check if this line what a message he wants to give.
is here used. And all this happens.
Excuse me, ma'am. I'm so sorry to interrupt. I'm a vlogger, and today we are vlogging about the nature. So मैं चाहती हूँ कि आप जनता को प्लांट्स के बारे में या नेचर के बारे में थोड़ा सा कुछ मैसेज अगर दे सके. Yeah? Just give me a minute. Yeah. Hi. What's your good name?
My name is Madhuri.
Madhuri. Hello, Madhuri, ma'am. How are you?
I'm fine, thank you. How are you?
I'm great.
Do I need to wear this?
You can remove it, please. We are maintaining social distance.
Yes. Oh yeah, we are 6 feet apart. So
Yeah,
it's okay.
yeah. So, Madhuri ma'am, as you know, मैं चाहती हूँ कि you just give a wonderful message कि जनता को actually plants या nature के बारे में influence होना चाहिए या what do you think about the plants?
Oh, I love them. They bring life into your homes.
Yeah.
Yeah, without them, I can't live without plants.
Me too, either.
I need plants in my home, inside my rooms.
Oh my God.
Yes, inside my rooms. I have plants all over the house, and I think that's what we don't have nature actually around.
Yes,
when you
yes.
look at it, it's a concrete jungle.
Yeah, concrete
this
jungle,
is
correct.
So this is what gives us the advantage
Yes.
of feeling that you are with nature.
Yeah, and I think in today's generation also we should educate our kids to grow more plants or to plant more trees. What do you
Yes.
think?
Yes, you should. Definitely, you should.
Okay.
And when you work with plant, it's like a therapy
Yeah,
to
yeah.
your soul as well.
Uh-huh.
To yourself.
Okay.
So the children should be made through that. They'll calm down. They have something new coming up. New leaves, new things sprouting up.
Yes.
So it gives them. What can I say?
It helps in nurturing as well.
Nurturing.
Yeah.
And it helps them their growth.
Yes.
Emotional growth as well.
Yes, emotionally.
That's
Yeah,
growth.
correct.
Besides
Thank you
just-
so much, Madhuri ma'am. Wonderful talking to you.
Thank you so
Thank you
much.
so much for the message.
Thank you.
So guys, as you can see, हर कोई यही चाहता है कि जो पुणे है वो ग्रीन सिटी रहे, चारों तरफ हमारे प्लांट्स ही प्लांट्स हो, right? So okay, I will take you the more plants. Will show you the more plants. And yes, one more lady I have. Excuse me, ma'am. Yes, you. Hi.
Hi,
What's your good name?
I'm Gauri.
Hi, Gauri, ma'am. How are you?
Good.
Okay, so what do you think about the plants? What's your message to our audience, to Janta, and of course, especially this generation?
Yes, for this generation is very important because
Yeah.
we are going higher and higher in concrete.
Yes.
And somewhere we're losing that touch with the ground.
Correct.
So just coming to this shop itself is so lovely because you see greenery.
Yes.
It is inside, but yes, it makes difference.
Yes.
So I love to come and you grab a
Okay,
nice
so
cup of-
especially you love the jungle, right?
Sorry?
Especially you love the jungle. This place.
Yes, even I have a huge, I go on collecting plants.
Okay.
So this has been very nice. This whole setup coming in my neighborhood.
Oh my God.
So yes.
Lovely. And one more thing. What I believe, I'm so sorry I missed with your name.
Gauri?
गौरी मैम या सो व्हाट आई डू जैसे बहुत सारे एनजीओज काम करते हैं प्लांट्स के लिए बट डोंट यू थिंक कि जो हमारे सोसाइटी के बाहर जो प्लांट्स हैं जिनका कोई नहीं है शुड वी स्टार्ट वाटरिंग देम आल्सो
Yes, it's a very good point.
या
Actually, we all, as citizens, we have to take it up very sincerely.
Yes.
One thing I really sometimes feel ki we are getting into so much of these firangi
Yes.
plants.
Yes,
We are
yes.
forgetting.
Yeah.
you
Our Indian plants.
Indian plants.
Yes.
Which actually are rooted in our country.
In our country,
and
correct.
we are getting firangi and very decorative.
Yes.
And the flowers we've forgotten.
या
You know,
स्पेशली द
we have
रोजेस
so many plants.
यस
Locally, local. Otherwise, earlier there were so many small plants which I have seen everywhere when we were small.
यस
And our kids don't know. They don't even know the
No.
green grass. We have those artificial.
artificial grasses. Yeah, correct. Even like I started I start watering my society plants. I thought, why to go and water indoor? Let's start with our society, the outside society. There are so many plants. They are dying due to this, summer season, lots of heat, no water. Yeah. Thank you so much. Thank you so much for the
It's
lovely
a lovely
message.
thought, and
Yes.
I think I hope you all take it very seriously.
Yes, yes. Thank you, ma'am. Thank you so much. So guys, जनता 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 देखा ना आपने, हर तरफ नेचर को लेके बहुत सारे पॉजिटिव ऑरा है, पॉजिटिव इंफॉर्मेशन है. Shivali, can you just take her and her mobile number so that I can send the video to her? Yeah, please. So guys, मैं क्या बोल रहा हूँ? I'm so sorry. So I will show you other plants as well. So जहाँ पर आपको और भी चीज़ें दिखेगी. And guys, अगर आपको कोरोना की वजह से ऐसा लग रहा है you cannot go outside and buy this plants, so मैं आपको बता दूँ, Ugao is a place where you can place orders online as well. So जितने भी अपने plants देखे हैं, all plants are in their website Ugao, www.ugao.com. even I will provide more information. अगर मैंने कुछ गलत बोला हो तो I'm so sorry. मैं नीचे वेबसाइट डाल दूंगी. You can just order from online or you can come. It is this place. The Jungle is located in Baner, just behind the back, just in front of the Bank of Maharashtra. आप आ सकते हैं, all time खुला रहता है. You can enjoy the thing. You can just have 5 to 10 minutes over here. I'm pretty sure you will get lots of plants from here. You will decorate your corporate life, your corporate house or corporate office, your house, everywhere. Okay? So अब यहाँ पर हम plants देख लेते हैं. Oh, Shifali, you have taken the number? दोनों का?
They are friends, so they told me to share.
Sure. Okay, so let's move on to Shifali again. Yes. So Shifali, you are telling me about the medicinal plants you have. So can you just guide my audience what kind of medicinal plants you have, or what else you keep over here?
Okay. We have medicinal plants like ajwain and aloe vera.
Okay.
So ajwain and aloe vera can be grown in semi-shade light, like partial sunlight. So that is good to go indoor as well.
Okay. I have a one question, Shifali, कि पहले हम कैसे मट्टी के pots पे रखते थे. I know this all are ceramics. So क्या कुछ difference होता है मट्टी के pots पे रखना and
Like now the generation is changing. People think a lot about interior and everything. So it is like it adds to your interior. People like pastel colors more. Some people are into glittery things.
हाँ.
So the normal जो soil वाला pot है, that does not go with the interior.
Correct.
And that causes a lot of chaos in your house. Like the mud is falling everywhere. So it is staining your house. Like
Yes.
this pot look good and
Amazing.
it is like
Guys, can you see?
very good texture and everything.
Yes. Amazing.
It adds to the beauty of your house.
Yes. Okay, I can see the stairs as well. Shivali, I mean, ऊपर भी कुछ है?
Yeah, we have plant stands and ceramic pots also.
Okay, can you just guide me over here?
Yeah, sure.
So जनता, I hope कि आपको ये place बहुत अच्छी लगी.
Yeah, we have this small kits. Like these are like basically for gifting people.
Okay, this is for
This is for gifting people. This is a small kit.
Oh,
Which
wow.
comes with a small pot.
pot. Okay.
Seeds and a cow manure and your red soil. This is
Wow.
for basically to educate people to grow
Uh-huh.
and building a habit of small children to grow plants.
Wonderful.
We have different varieties in it.
What
We
about
have
this,
basil.
Shifali?
This is our Ugao packing container
Uh-huh.
for plants.
Uh-huh.
Like we place the plant over here
Okay.
and then you can remove it. It is for safe travel of plants.
Okay.
And we also have
Nice.
air compartments so the plant can breathe.
Wow. Wonderful technology, guys.
In the gifting kit, we also have green chili over here. I'll show you the complete thing.
Sure.
So this is the cow manure and red soil mix.
Uh-huh.
This is the pot which you get,
Okay.
and this is the seed,
Uh-huh.
the small packet,
Uh-huh.
and you have a like guidance.
All the information on the guidance, how you to,
and a
plant.
small tray so that the water does not spill out.
Oh, wow. वंडरफुल. सो गाइज, क्रिसमस के टाइम के आपको क्या क्या गिफ्ट देना है, इसके आइडियाज तो आई थिंक मैंने आपको बहुत कुछ दे दिया है. आई थिंक दिस इज द वंडरफुल आइडिया टू गिफ्ट समवन इन लाइक क्रिसमस. वाओ. And these are the pots, right?
Self-watering pot.
Okay.
So you have this.
Uh-huh.
Like it is this. So the plants absorb water from here.
Okay.
And it's also so that your roots can grow properly.
Okay.
So basically, this pots help in the aeration and even the root growth. So this I would recommend this pot.
Okay.
And this pots have a reservoir down,
Wow.
so you can store water in it.
Wow. Lovely.
And this is manufactured by Ugao.
Wow. Wonderful. Oh my God. Lovely. So, शिफाली, अभी तो मुझे यहाँ पर ये मतलब ये sections दिख रहे हैं. But then especially this kind of pots, where you refer to place it?
On your balcony railings maybe,
Uh-huh.
or you have some space to create vertical garden or something, you can hang the pots over there.
Okay. Wow. So guys, this is a wonderful idea. आप अपने रेलिंग्स में भी इन पॉट्स को लगा सकते हैं. सी इफ यू लाइक दिस छोटा वाला, एंड सी दे हैव दिस द स्मॉल होल आल्सो, इसलिए वाटर जो जाने का जो प्लेस होता है वो भी है. Amazing guys, it's a wonderful place. Okay, and okay, these are the clay items, Shifali.
Yeah, these are the ceramic pots.
Okay, ceramic.
manufactured by
Okay.
Hagla.
Okay, so Hagla, is this some another brand or it's a Ugao itself?
No, this is another brand,
Uh-huh.
but Indian brand.
Okay.
And the quality and the texture of every
I did,
pot
yes, I
is
can see.
like
Wow.
it's properly finished.
Yes.
You
Wonderful.
don't see any like design malformation or anything.
Wonderful. Wow, guys, it's okay. This is also a pot.
Yeah.
Oh my God. So where you have to place? I think this is one for corporate places.
Yeah.
Okay.
Or a big bungalow, a farmhouse or something.
Uh-huh.
Who has a huge farmhouse and wants to plant big trees, no?
Okay.
That person
Big
can
trees.
do-
I mean, can you just suggest some trees for this kind of pots?
You can also plant this trees in this.
Which
like-
plant is this?
This is fiddle leaf.
Fiddle?
Fiddle leaf.
Fiddle leaves.
Yeah.
Wow. Okay. Wonderful collection from Ugao, guys. I think be careful. Okay, oh my God. Can you check this out? This is so lovely. So I think, guys, on Sundays you just spend some time for 10 to 15 minutes, and I hope you will, you will buy lots of plants over here, lots of pots from here. There are lots of gifting items, man. It's amazing. सो आप घर पे बैठे बैठे बिल्कुल देखिए. सो गाइज, आपको बाहर निकलने की बिल्कुल जरूरत नहीं है. वेरोनिका रहते हुए तो बिल्कुल आपको जरूरत नहीं है. आप घर पे बैठिए, सोशल डिस्टेंस मेंटेन कीजिए, प्रॉपर मास्क पहनिए और सैनिटाइज करते रहिए अपने आप को. वंडरफुल गाइज, ब्यूटिफुल. ओके शिफाली, दिस आर ऑल्सो ceramic.
Yeah.
Okay.
This is ceramic and this is concrete plant.
Okay, this one is concrete. Oh my God, all of them.
Yeah.
Wow. So guys, in concrete also you will get the colorful pots as well. This all are ceramic.
Concrete.
Acha, okay, concrete. This are also concrete, right?
Yeah.
Wonderful. Wow. Amazing. Wow. Beautiful. Okay, these are the bamboo sticks, if I'm not wrong.
This is bamboo which is brought from Assam and this can be used to plant succulents.
Succulents. Oh, wow. Okay. Nice. Nice, nice.
We also have bamboo handles.
Okay. So this one, where we can place?
You can hang it over somewhere like your balcony
Oh,
or your living
great.
room.
Or even it will look great in in front of the doors if you have some hanging areas. Wow, guys, this is amazing. wonderful. Beautiful, guys. So, कैसा लगा आपको ये ब्यूटीफुल प्लेस द जंगल? हाँ, ब्यूटीफुल लगा ना? So, plant more trees, okay? Plant more trees. I think this is the best idea, or this is the best gift you can give to your people, to your family, to your friends, to your boyfriend, girlfriend. ठीक है? So हमेशा से मैं बोलती हूँ कि इससे प्यारा गिफ्ट और कुछ हो ही नहीं सकता. So चलिए, कोरोना के टाइम पे यस ऑफ कोर्स मैं आपको बहुत ही कम जगह ट्रैवल करा पा रही हूँ, क्योंकि मुझे भी ध्यान रखना पड़ता है ना. So guys, stay happy, stay safe, keep smiling, stay happy, and just दिसंबर में मैं अभी से आपको एडवांस हैप्पी क्रिसमस बोल रही हूँ. And don't forget to view the beautiful pictures on my Instagram page, I Veronica V the Vlogger, and it also available in YouTube channel V the Vlogger. Bye, good night, happy weekend, एडवांस में हैप्पी क्रिसमस भी.